Hello everyone, welcome to IMS GATE Academy. I hope you guys are doing well. If you are an engineering student, then you should watch this video up to the last, because in this video I'm going to tell you what is GATE exam, what is the exam pattern, what is the eligibility criteria, how you can apply, when you need to apply for the GATE exam. So let's start the session. First of all, dear student, GATE is a graduate aptitude test in engineering. It is a CBT exam, means computer based test. The conducting body for GATE is IIC and 7 IITs. In this one, virtual calculator is allowed, no physical calculator allowed. Virtual calculator is allowed, which will be available at your examination center in your computer screen only. Right here, in month of the September, you can start filling the form for the GATE exam. September to October we can dedicate for the registration month for the GATE. Okay. In month of the January, you can get your admit card also for your examination of GATE. The exam month is February. First weekend and second weekend of February is dedicated for the GATE exam only. Usually, okay, since last 2-3 years we are having the exam, GATE exam has been conducted in month of the February only, first and the second weekend. Maybe this year also it will be first and the second weekend, or maybe it can be first and the third weekend also, because already UPSC has been released their annual calendar. In that annual calendar, they mention the exam date for engineering service exam, okay, ESE paper will be second weekend of February. So maybe it will change first or the second weekend possible, or first and the third weekend is also possible. But usually I can say it surely it will be in month of the February, okay. In month of the March, we can expect the result between 15th to 20th March. We can see the result for your GATE exam. Now, what is the eligibility criteria? If you are an engineering student with any of the branch, you are eligible to write the GATE exam, first of all. Now, if you are in third year, then also you are eligible. If you are a final year student, then also you are eligible. If you are a pass out student, then also you are eligible for write the GATE exam. Dear students, we are having few friendly rules also in GATE. The very first rule is, once you will get your GATE scorecard, okay, so that will be valid for the next 3 years. There is no age limit, there is no number of, means there is no fixed number of attempts. So any number of attempts can be possible, and there is no age limit. One very important question usually comes in students' mind, ki ma'am, if I am having backlog in my engineering, or I am having low, means I am having less marks in my engineering, so still I am eligible for writing the GATE exam or not? So then, my dear students, yes, you are eligible, because in this case there is no minimum marks required for writing the GATE exam. Okay, arrears do not matter here. There is no minimum marks required for writing, for appearing in the GATE exam. So every student with engineering, okay, onwards the third year, even the third year students can also, so third year, final year or pass out students are eligible for writing the GATE exam. If we talk about the paper pattern, so here the duration is 3 hours, okay, in which you need to approach the 65 question. Total number of marks are 100. If I will talk about in the detail, so I can see there are two type of section. First is the general aptitude, second is your core branch, means I can say that is the selected. If you are from mechanical, then you will have their mechanical subjects including engineering mathematics. If you are from computer science, then you will have your computer science subject including again engineering mathematics here. There are three type of question. First is the MCQ, multiple choice question, in which only one option will be correct. Second is MSQ, which is multiple select question, in which more than one option can be correct. Okay, and third is NAT, numerical answer type, in which you need to type the numerical answer value. Okay, numerical value you need to type there. Number of questions, as I told you already, there are 65 questions, which having 10 question of general aptitude plus 55 question of your selected. In this one, engineering mathematics question, 7 or 8 question of engineering mathematics is also included. If we talk about the marks distribution, so overall this is the 100 marks paper, in which 15 marks weightage is of general aptitude, 13 marks weightage is of engineering mathematics, and your selected subjects will have 72 marks weightage. So overall we can see this is a simple funda ki in 3 hour you need to approach a 65 question of 100 marks. Okay. If we talk about ki whether in the GATE exam negative marking is available, so yes my dear students, negative marking is available there in the GATE exam. So marking scheme, there are only two type of the question, 1 mark question or 2 marks question. In this, yeah, negative marking is available. So if you are suppose approaching a MCQ question, multiple choice question in which only one question is correct, okay, only one option is correct, so weightage is 1 mark. If you opt the wrong answer, then you will get minus 0.33 marks. Okay, and if you approach a MCQ question of 2 marks, if you opted here the wrong answer, so in this case you will get minus 0.66 marks. So yes, negative marking is available here. But if you will choose, or if you are solving any question which is MSQ, multiple select question, and NAT, then in this there is no negative marking. So overall I can say, I can conclude that GATE exam is a student friendly. Every engineering student should write down GATE exam for having more opportunities in your future. Okay guys. So still you guys not join our Telegram group, you can join the Telegram group. Link is mentioned in the description box. When you will join, you will get lots of the features available in our Telegram group. It will be beneficial for all the engineering students. If you guys are preparing for GATE 2025 and 2026, you can join our live online program in which you will get 800 plus hours of the live classes, okay, including 4000 plus practice question which is having theory book and exercise book also. We will provide you last 33 years GATE questions, previous year GATE questions with the video solution also. Okay, in this you will get 130 plus online test with the video solution. For more details about the live online program, you can directly book a free counseling session with our student advisory team. So they will help you, they will just clear your each and every doubt. And yes, dear students, we are having one more amazing feature, which is a test series product. Okay, test series plus. If you will get this test series plus, you will get here 130 plus online test. You will get here 2 books. 2 books means of previous year question, which is having last 33 year PYQs of GATE exam, which is one for the technical subject. Suppose you are from the mechanical, so 1 book you will get for the mechanical. If you are from electronics, you will get 1 book from the electronics, okay, like this. And 1 more PYQ book, which is having general aptitude and engineering mathematics. Other than this, doubt solving portal will be available for you. Okay, online revision and score booster sessions are available for you. Post GATE guidance are surely available when you will enroll yourself in our test series plus program, and we will conduct for you mock interviews also for the PSU. So here is the price for the test series plus 3299. If you will enroll yourself for test series, that is 1770, but in test series you will not get the books, okay, and also the, you can see here, the PSU mock interviews are also not available in this case. So you should try to get test series plus, where you will get lots of the feature. For more queries, you can directly contact to our student advisory team. Stay connected to I Must GATE Academy YouTube channel for such type of videos. Thank you dear students. Bye bye.